Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan. We specialize in cybersecurity and compliance. So for today, for malware and ransomware attacks that are going on, everyone needs to understand that the media is more concentrated and concerned about riots and political issues that are going on and the COVID-19 crisis than they are about what's really happening out there and should be concerning many businesses and people. There's a lot of companies that are being breached, and now they're being breached via second, third, and fourth party accounts. So for today, a Davenport University vendor was ransomed, and their CRM system that they use, now they said that there's no credit card information that's believed to be breached. However, other personal information that was not encrypted was breached. A U.S. security official confirmed that Chinese government-backed hackers targeted Moderna Incorporated, a U.S.-based biotech company involved in the coronavirus vaccine research. So last week, the U.S. Department of Justice made public an indictment of 2 Chinese nationals accused of spying on the United States, including 3 unnamed U.S.-based targets involved in medical research to fight the novel coronavirus. This indictment said the Chinese hackers conducted reconnaissance against the computer network of a Massachusetts biotech firm known to be working on the coronavirus vaccine in January. An Office 365 phishing campaign abused Google's ads to bypass secure email gateways, or SEGs, redirecting employees of targeted organizations to phishing landing pages, stealing their Microsoft credentials. The attackers behind these attacks took advantage of the fact that the domains used by Google Ads platform are often overlooked by SEGs, which allows them to deliver their phishing messages to their targets' inboxes, bypassing email filters. You see, SEGs are designed to block spam and phishing attempts from reaching their users' mailboxes using filtering stacks that will often scan incoming emails for malicious content. Further in the news, the Vermont Department of Taxes revealed that it's accidentally exposed taxpayers' private information due to a security lapse. It affected all those who filed property tax returns online between February 2017 and July 2020. The data breach affected all Vermonters who electronically filed property transfer tax returns using the tax department site between February 2017 and July 2020. Also in the news for malware, Nielsen, an audience measurement company, was hit by a suspected cyber attack on its network that affected its operations of rating TV shows. Thank you, and stay safe out there.